Good morning, everyone. My topic for today is about how to make life worth living. Being human means acknowledging the fact that there is only one option in life, and that option is moral option. This moral option tells us that we should value life. The question is how. Aristotle teaches us that all human acts have a purpose. What then is the relation between the good and this purpose? Moral option is a decision or a choice based on a person's ethics, manners, character, and what they believe is proper behavior that serve as the basis of knowing our purpose. We can find our purpose by simply valuing life through making ourselves happy, by setting goals that we want to achieve, having more time with our family and for ourselves, and also helping each other. For example, making time for yourself is one of the key to happiness by knowing your emotions, desires, character, goals, maintaining your body and mental health in a good condition, achieving goals through graduating to a course that we're dreaming of, having stable job and sustaining whims. But you can't be happy just for yourself. You can also achieve happiness by fulfilling the needs of others. You can be happy on that. Another example is the well-known celebrity Miss Angel Locsin, who helped other people in every calamity. She's happy that the people she helped are also happy. It feels like she realizes already that her purpose in life and that is helping others. And that is the purpose of life by being morally good to others. Thus, our real task as a person is to say that our final goal, which is happiness, should include the happiness of at least of our fellow human beings. To respect others is to respect their dignity as person. This is something that we can achieve by making sure that our social institution achieve their moral end. This is something that we can do by treating others as person with dignity who also desires their freedom. And as such, the only moral option is to help them realize who they are. Only then can society be just and oriented towards its authentic moral end. And that's all. Thank you.